Good day, everyone. I've been using this service now for about 2 years. It used to be called TransferWise. It is now called Wise. It is an excellent alternative to PayPal. It actually works better than PayPal and much, much less expensive. So what you can do with this account is set up your own accounts as well as other people that you want to send payments to. So this is the login page, and what happens when you log in is you will get a alert on your phone, and you need to have the app installed on your phone. You don't have to use it on your phone, but you need to have the app installed on your phone so you can receive the alert. And then once you click on the alert on your phone, it will let you in the rest of the way. So you have your login name and your password. So I'm going to press login, and you'll see that the screen will wait for a second. We are waiting for your response. I just go to my phone, which I can't show you right now, but I will go here, and it asks me, do you want to approve this login? And I say, yes, it's me, or no, it's not me. I say, yes, it's me on my phone. This is all happening off screen on my phone. And then, now that I've done that, it allows me in. The first thing it will do is show whatever's happening currently on my account. And I just recently sent some money to this person, and they haven't quite received it yet. It will take about a few minutes and get paid out the next day. That's what this is telling me. So I can share this tracking link with the person receiving it so they can check when their money is in their account. So that's another feature. So Wise works a lot like PayPal, but better. So what you can do is you can set up your own accounts within here as a recipient. So as a person that will be receiving money, you can also be a person receiving money. As you can see, I have my 3 accounts, one in Mexico, one in Canada, and one in the US that I use to send money from. So I can send money from this account to that one, from my US account to my Canadian or my Mexican, and so on. Below here, under your recipients, I have my team members for my business set up to pay them, and as well as any donations or family members I want to send money to, things like that. These are all set up down here. It's a very easy setup process to set them up. You just need some very basic banking information. With the Mexican bank, you just need their CLABE number, CLABE, etc. Anyways, it's step by step. It's very easy to set up. So you can add a recipient up here, or you can add your bank account, another bank account if you have one. On the left side here is much like PayPal. You can also accumulate money within the Wise account. So it's like a mini bank. I've got a few dollars in US, a few dollars in Canadian if I ever have to use them for anything, which is very rare. But anyways, I just keep a small amount there. Otherwise, I am paying or transferring between these accounts when I need to. And that's pretty well it. So the rate you get, let me see if I can go back to home here. And I don't know if it shows the rate on this latest one. What happens is the transfer rate, no, it doesn't show it. Let's see if it shows it here. No. The transfer rate is really inexpensive to transfer from one bank account to a person. And the exchange rate, actually, that's the best part of it, is the exchange rate is very, very good compared to transferring money out of your actual bank and sending it through Western Union or any other way, or even using PayPal. PayPal is very expensive compared to this. So I would suggest that you try this out. I mean, if you don't like it, you can always cancel it. But this is an excellent way to send money, very inexpensive, and gives you a great exchange rate. Any questions, just put comments below. Thank you.